Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we have Skullcandy wireless Hesh ANC headphones to unbox today, and don't forget to subscribe. And hit that notification bell for future tech reviews. In this little package, we have a user guide, audio cable Type-C charging cable, and a little fabric headphone case. These headphones are way lighter than the Crushers. Honestly, the Crushers are better, but they are more in price. But the Hesh is the best budget headphones ever. The description for product. Prices may change in the future. Black Friday deals are coming up. Christmas deals are coming up. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time.